My bathroom is my place of serenity. That's why I bought the eBun Mouthwash Dispenser. I was tired of ugly bottles, but this is a game changer. Not only is it beautiful to look at, but the bottle can fill up with an entire liter of Listerine mouthwash. No more refilling and no more random bottles lying around. The glass decanter is lead-free and the pump is made with BPA-free materials, making it safe for my entire family and their daily oral care. The best part, it can easily handle alcohol-based solutions or thick liquid lotion and hand soap, and you only need 2 or 3 pumps to have the right amount. The dispenser comes with 2 premium extra large 2.3 ounce BPA free reusable cups. That's 300% bigger than other brands on the market. And because of its size, you can use it for laundry detergent as well. But don't worry about getting any of your liquids confused because you can make the perfect label for different solutions. And like I said, my bathroom is my home spa, so the Wicker coaster adds a nice touch of nature to my countertop vanity. Get yours now. For limited time, you can buy 2 and get 10% off on both. That's one for your bathroom and one for your laundry room. A beautiful dispenser for every room.